How to change IMO profile picture. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can change IMO profile picture. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, launch your IMO application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So once you land on your chat page, navigate to your icon at the top left corner and tap on it. From here, tap on your profile name. Once you land on this page, navigate to the bottom right corner. There is an edit button. Tap on edit. Then you land on edit profile page. Here, tap on the first option that says avatar and then tap on it. You will see your profile picture right here. Now, in order to change it, tap on the camera icon at the top right corner, and from this option, you can either take a photo, you can create your avatar, or you can simply choose from the album. So simply tap on choose from the album and select the photo that you want to set as your new profile picture. After that, save it on your account. And with that, your profile picture will be changed on IMO. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.